Hi, I'm Mark Rosenberg, and welcome to my presentation about how to use blockchain to manage wills. So, I'm going to be presenting this to a lawyer who has heard of blockchain, knows about it, doesn't really understand the technology behind it, knows that it's used for cryptocurrency, and that's pretty much their knowledge of it. I'm going to be explaining to them about how they can use this technology to manage the wills a lot better. Wills are a part of their business. It's a very easy part of their business to make a lot of money on, and by providing this better capability, it will help them. So we look at the challenges and opportunities at the moment. So as you understand, wills are stored often on people's computers. They're filed away, stored in bits of paper. Wills can be easily messed around with if you're not careful, and you want to make life easy for the next of kin when someone passes away. So the opportunity here is to provide that capability for wills to no longer be editable, to no longer be tampered or lost, to make it easy for your clients to know that the will they've got is the latest, most up-to-date will with no edits done. We're going to take the current approach of paper-based and put that into the digital way, using blockchain as the digital storage. Using the hash. The hash is a kind of a key to the will that shows that it is the latest version that we're showing. That what we're showing to the next of kin is the latest version. Hasn't been edited, hasn't been tampered with, and is easily accessible. We'll look at some of the pluses. So your wills are not going to be tampered. There will no longer be fights amongst people. There will be timestamps indicating that it is the latest will, but it will also allow timestamps to allow you to say this is when the changes were made, and people might be able to see were there issues happening at that point. This will hopefully bring down fewer court cases, help you bring in more people using wills because they know it's safe. It will be ensured to make sure that getting lawyers on board with this will program will ensure that it's done properly and legally and work within the law, and if it needs changes, helping change the law. So the challenges here, you see, will increase security, and our opportunities will make sure that people know they've got the latest version. The testing on knowing that there will be minimal issues when they pass away, making sure their family has a nice, easy pass away with their family. So the value proposition. Are we going to replace the entire operating model? No, you'll still be helping your clients write wills. You'll still be writing the will for the person. You'll still be providing them with all the advice. It's just how they're going to be stored is going to be different. No longer will you have to store them in an insecure place, not knowing whether they'll find it later for you. Instead, you'll be able to secure it and store it nicely for your clients. So we're adding value. We're not taking away value. We're not taking away work. We're adding value. We're going to try and get more participation of people in this. You've got to work with people to get your job going. We're not fueling the operating models. We're helping provide the latest and best technology to improve the current model. We're going to use blockchain. Blockchain is a great method. It's secure, it's safe, and it's immutable. It's going to be there forever. People will see all the changes that are made, and you'll know it's not going to be edited. It will be differentiated. We had to help you as a lawyer gain a competitive edge. As I said, it's going to be secure. It's no longer going to be altered. It's no longer going to be lost. And it's a high priority that these wills are kept nice and safe. It'll be quick because you'll be able to find the wills in minimal time, knowing where they're stored. No longer are they going to be stored in someone's backyard or hidden in the safe somewhere. It's going to be there where you want it. And it'll be immutable. There's going to be no changes made to every version put up there. You'll have a history of all wills, knowing just in case there are issues down the track of saying a will was changed when it shouldn't have been. Some of our hurdles, of course, will be working within the law. There may be laws around wills, and that's where, as a lawyer, they'll come in handy. You'll come in handy to help me design this, that it works within the law. There will be, of course, some slight changes that law firms may no longer need to retain the will. We'll work with the law. We'll work with you to make sure that your clients will get the best out of you and you will not lose your business. And we'll make sure we work within the industry standards. We want to make sure what we do doesn't lose anything from you. So as a lawyer, you'll be the partner. You'll be the one we work with to build and design this product. Of course, we'll have external partners, state trustee services, the government. They're the ones we want to work with as well. But you will be our main partner. We'll be using a blockchain that is based on something like Ethereum, a public blockchain that will allow for high security, allow people to ensure that what they put on this blockchain will be secure, will be safe, and will be immutable. There will be some automation maybe down the track. We'll allow for, self-executing wills are a very good possibility down the track. we need to do some testing here. We need to ensure that you as a lawyer want this system, that wills stored here will be seen as legal, that the technology is mutable, we know that is right, that the ease of use will be there, that it can be easy to use, and that information is secure. Now we know a lot of this stuff. We know it's immutable and we know they're secure. It's getting the first two things happening as well. We'll produce this using Agile. It'll be quick and easy and built very simply. We'll start small. We'll work with you as a law firm. We'll work with maybe another law firm to ensure that it's working the way you guys want, and slowly build it out. We'll make sure that it works. We'll make sure that it covers the law, that it covers everything that's required. We want to ensure that it's secure, that we get a good uptake, and it's viable. These are very high importance to me, and hopefully to you. We want to ensure that this is successful, that it works, that we get people wanting to use this system, that we can then put it out to other law firms. The go-to-market strategy, easy. We want to get this out there being used. We want you to help us build it. We want you to even invest into it and own this product with me to make sure this product can work and that it can be built and legal and made the standard for adopting wills. Thank you very much. I look forward to hearing your answer.